So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be working on two wigs that was brought to me by a client. You guys saw this particular one on my previous video. So this is the final look. I just said I should show it to you guys on this particular video. So this is it. I'm done with it. And guys, this other one is a full franchise. One is too long and the owner wants me to resize it. So this is what I'm going to be doing on this particular video. So let's just go ahead and do the magic. So guys, to achieve a perfect cut, you need to section your hair the way I am doing it right now. Doing it this way will make it very easy for you to work on. So I'll just go ahead and comb it out a little bit. So I need to trim it a little bit and straighten it. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So yeah, just watch how I transform this wig into a beautiful wig. So guys, let's just rush and do this last one. So if you have a clipper, it's the right thing to use to achieve this look. But if you don't have a clipper, you can also use a scissors to achieve this. I can't wait to see the final look. I know you guys are going to love it. So guys, I am done with the front side. So it's time for me to straighten the full wig. So while straightening the back, I will try and bob the back side a little bit to make the wig more bouncy and bob. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for stopping by, for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.